The Tortoise and the Rabbit. Once upon a time, in a green and flowery forest, there were two friends, the Tortoise and the Rabbit. The Tortoise was slow but steady, while the Rabbit was fast but a bit lazy. One sunny day, the Rabbit started boasting about how fast he could run. "I'm the fastest in the forest. Nobody can beat me," he said. The Tortoise smiled and said, "Speed is good, but practice is even better." The animals in the forest heard their conversation and suggested a race between the Tortoise and the Rabbit to see who was the fastest. The Rabbit, feeling very confident, agreed immediately. On the race day, finally all the animals gathered to watch. The fox signaled the start, and off they went. The Rabbit ran forward, leaving the Tortoise far behind. The crowd cheered for the Rabbit as he zoomed through the forest. However, the Rabbit got a bit too confident. Seeing how far ahead he was, he decided to take rest under a shady tree. "I have plenty of time. I'll rest for a while," he thought. Meanwhile, the Tortoise continued to run along steadily. He didn't stop or take a break, just kept running at his own speed. When the Rabbit woke up, he was shocked to see the Tortoise reaching the finish line. Panicking, he ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The Tortoise crossed the finish line first. The animals cheered for the Tortoise, and the Rabbit learned an important lesson.